In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change primary email account in Outlook. If you're using the new Outlook for Windows or Outlook on the web, start by opening Settings. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your quick path into the app's preferences. Once the pane opens, go to Accounts, then choose Email Accounts. This is where all your connected addresses are listed. Find the account you want to make primary and click Manage next to it. Inside Account Details, you'll see the option to set as primary account. Click that and follow any prompts you see. You might be asked to confirm the change or restart Outlook so the update takes effect. Don't worry, this just applies the new default across your mail, calendar, and other connected features. If the button appears unavailable, it usually means that account is already set as primary. After the change, give it a moment to sink in. Cloud-based Outlook experiences, settings can take a short time to propagate. If you're working in classic Outlook for Windows, begin by going to File, then Account Settings, and select Account Settings again from the drop-down. In the Email tab, you'll see all your mail accounts. Click the one you want as your default. Next, click Set as Default, and then choose Close to exit the dialog. This tells Outlook which account should take the lead for sending and receiving. To make sure brand new messages use this account every time, go to File, then Options, and open the Mail section. Scroll to the Send Messages area and check the box labeled Always use this default account when composing new messages. This setting is helpful because it ensures your new emails start from the account you picked, keeping your communications consistent. Replies will still use the account that received the message, which is usually what you want. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you're switching between the new Outlook and classic Outlook, the menus and labels can look different, so make sure you're following the steps for the version you're using. After making the change, the From field in a new message should reflect your new primary account. If you had Outlook open for a long time, a quick restart can help apply settings smoothly. And remember, you don't need to share any personal information to perform these changes. Everything happens within your Outlook settings. That's it, your primary email account is now set the way you want. Thanks for watching.